Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to do a quick meditation to help you reprogram your mindset for success and create the life you desire. Additionally, I'll be sharing information about an incredible personal development program called Genie Script, created by Wesley. This program can help you transform your beliefs about wealth, success, and money. Let's get started. Find a quiet and comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes and begin to breathe deeply. Set aside any thoughts or worries for now. Focus solely on your breath. Feel your body relax with each inhale and exhale. Let any tense muscles loosen and relax. Imagine a gentle white light enveloping your entire body, bringing a sense of peace and tranquility. Now, imagine yourself in a wonderful location, surrounded by nature or any environment that brings you peace. Feel the positive energy of this place flowing through you. Imagine that you're surrounded by an aura of success and abundance. Repeat the following affirmations in your mind or out loud, feeling the truth behind them. I am worthy of success and abundance. I deserve a life filled with prosperity and happiness. I am open to receiving all the opportunities the universe offers me. My limiting beliefs about wealth, success, and money are transforming now. Now that you're in a state of relaxation and positive mindset, I'd like to share with you the Genie Script, a powerful program created by Wesley Virgin. The Genie Script is a personal development program that can help you reprogram your mindset for success and manifest the quality of life you desire. If you're interested in learning more about the Genie Script, visit the official website at description. As this meditation comes to an end, carry with you the sense of peace, positivity, and the belief that you can achieve success and create the life you desire. Remember that the Genie Script is a powerful tool to support your personal development journey. Thank you for sharing this meditation moment with me, and I look forward to seeing you again in our next video. Until then, stay positive and continue moving towards your dreams. Don't forget to visit the official Genie Script website for more.